children, I want to show you latent heat of fusion of ice and latent heat of vaporization of water, in which I have taken this thermometer. Okay, it is not like clinical thermometer as used to which is used to measure body temperature. It is a lab thermometer. There is a difference, right? So you can see it is 0 degrees Celsius, and the temperature that it is showing right now is 34 degrees Celsius. ये थोड़ा दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? Okay. Now I want to show you what is latent heat of fusion of ice, and is it going to be verified that the temperature remain constant during melting till the whole ice melts? So for this I have taken ice cubes, okay, in Borosil, and you will see that the temperature has start dropping. It is now dropping. Okay, देख रहे हैं आप ये? अब ये 10 से भी नीचे जा रही है. Okay, it is going down and down, and it will stop at 0. आप देखिएगा. So I am now going to start heating at low flame, and we'll see that what will be the change in temperature during melting of ice. Will there be is there going to be any change or not? I am heating it at low flame, and if you will see that there is no rise in temperature. Are you able to see that the ice has started melting, but there is no rise in temperature? One thing we have to make sure is to so the bulb of the thermometer should touch the surface of the ice. So children, you are seeing that there is no rise in temperature. Although I am providing heat to ice, it has started melting also, and we are not seeing any rise in temperature. I am going to melt the whole ice and will observe its reading. So I am continuously heating the ice, and you will see that the ice has started melting, but the temperature is not changing. Okay. Now children, you will see that the temperature is rising. There is no more ice into it in the beaker, and it has reached 35. Okay, and it is slowly and slowly rising. You are seeing the mercury level. It's about to reach 40 degrees Celsius. So children, you can see how quickly the reading is rising, and it has reached at, I want to show you again, it has reached at 100 degrees Celsius, and it is not rising at all. Okay, this shows that you can see that the boiling point of water is what, 100 degrees Celsius, and I am continuously supplying heat, but the reading on this scale is not rising at all. On this thermometer is not rising at all. This means that this heat is used up in overcoming the forces of attraction between the particles of water, which are responsible for changing liquid water into gaseous form.